Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one is an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG line, which comes with 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, AMG interior, AMG exterior, front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, a black Ambitex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This E-Class has 32,286 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.